Why we yawn when other yawn. You're yawning right now, aren't you? It's called contagious yawning, linked to mirror neurons, brain cells that copy other actions. Seeing another person yawn can cause those watching to catch the yawn themselves. The theories why this happens because, first, time of day. The time of day or the intelligence of the people who catch the yawn causes contagious yawning. However, this theory has lost traction in recent years. Second, empathy. Contagious yawning is a sign of empathy for others. Seeing a person yawn may cause the viewer to yawn, especially if they are close to or comfortable with that person. That means it's stronger between people who know each other well. Some scientists think it's also a social bonding tool. So, if you yawned, congrats. We're basically friends now. See you the next sketch!